show you how to create a linear gradient in the Lightroom app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, we have to open up the Lightroom app and find the picture that we want to edit. Let's say it's this one. We tap on it and open it. And after we open the picture, we go into the masking tool. This is the tool. We can open it by pressing M. And here we find the linear gradient option. We can press L to open it. And after we opened it, either by tapping on it or pressing L, we get this little marker cursor. If we pull down, we can create a gradient like this. And what this does is create a masking layer that is in the form of a gradient, and by editing this, we can manipulate the depth and feel of the image. Let's say I do this, and then the image is going to be affected like this, as you can see here. Only the top part, the darker part of the gradient is going to be affected the most, and the lighter part less. We can press backslash to check the difference between the original and the modified picture. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.